It's your boy Yngr&b. Whoa, gotta hit the whoa one time. Now you already know what to do. Subscribe right now and like below before this video even starts. And we gonna hit it one more time just to know y'all are awake. So it's taking a long time to take this off, but we gonna get to it. Alright, now here is the results. Shake it a little bit because it's a little flat when you put a do-rag or a cap or a scarf on it, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make sure it look good. Then I'm gonna take the glasses off, you know what I'm saying? Shake it like that, make sure all of it is off your head. And for this video, I didn't have the oil I needed for the hair. Now I do, so I'll be showing you an upcoming video on top of this one on how I put oil on these twists that I did myself. You know what I'm saying? Did these myself. Actually, first time too. Well, second time, but you know what I'm saying. It's progress. But yeah, the next video I will be showing y'all the oil that I put in my hair for growth, because as y'all see, my back is like shorter than my front because I dyed it and it damaged. But you know what I'm saying. But just make sure you keep shaking it and make sure you look at the video to the right and to the left. You know what I'm saying? You did hit the whoa, you know what I'm saying, one time. Subscribe to your boy, like, comment below, and I'll hit y'all back another time.